Hey y'all, welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. So, have you ever wondered if you can make money on YouTube without having a huge following or tons of watch time? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning cash from day one. Yes, you heard me right. No subscribers, no watch hours required. Let's get to it. First, let's quickly touch on YouTube's partner program. To monetize your videos through ads, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. But don't worry, we're not focusing on that today. We're only focusing on how you can make money without having all those requirements set in stone. Now let's dive into some of the exciting income streams available to everyone regardless of your channel size. First up is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product and earn commission for every sale that you made through your unique links. So to get started, find affiliate programs that fit your niche. Amazon Associates is a great place to begin. Once you sign up, you can generate unique links to products and share them with your audience. So once you have created your YouTube video or your YouTube short, you can then add the links inside of your description. All of your affiliate links can be dropped down below in your description. That way your audience can click on the links and go straight to the product. So let's speak on content ideas. So you could probably consider doing reviews, unboxing, tutorials, anything that can showcase the product. This way your audience sees the value and is more likely to click your links. So if you know Sin, you know I'm really big on suggesting YouTube shorts. I think it would be a great idea to show yourself using the products and tag the long form video that's related to that product so that your audience can watch right then or later. Now let's talk about sponsored content. Brands are always looking to promote their products, and you can get paid to do just that. And the good thing about it is you don't need a massive following to land sponsorships. Start by reaching out to brands that align with your content. Create a compelling pitch that highlights how your audience could benefit from their product. Now, if you're anything like me, we are always scrolling on social media. Use that time to connect with small businesses. Also, having a media kit is crucial. Now, in this kit, include your niche, audience demographic, and any engagement metrics. Even if you're small, this shows brands that you're serious. Another great way to make money is by selling merchandise. You can design and sell your own branded items without holding any inventory. Print-on-demand services like Teespring or Printful allow you to create custom designs and sell them. You only pay for the products once you make a sale. Also in your videos, showcase your merchandise. You can even offer limited time designs or exclusive items to create urgency for your viewers. Now let's explore crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon, KFit, and Buy Me a Coffee enable your audience to support you financially. You can offer exclusive content or perks to your supporters. This not only provides them with added value, but also encourages them to contribute. Now let's speak back on YouTube Shorts. Like I said previously, engaging shorts can help you gain visibility more quickly. So make sure you create fun and informative shorts that can go viral. Include call to action for affiliate links or merchandise to capitalize on your exposure. So there you have it. If you thought that you couldn't make any money until you're in the program, you're absolutely wrong. You can start yourself. You can grind and you can hustle and you can start by selling your own products, crowdfunding, all these things that we just spoke about. You can start that now from day one. Get the ball rolling. You can actually draw new people in, a new audience, new subscribers in from this type of generating shorts, generating merchandise, doing affiliate links. Stuff like that can draw people in. So do what you need to do until you get to your 4,000 watch time hours and your 1,000 subscribers. Go ahead and get the ball rolling now. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.